Hey, this is Dr. Majeroni. I wanted to review brushing with you. This video is critical because we need to avoid this. These are patients that actually had braces, not in my office, but at other offices, and they did not brush their teeth. So when the braces were removed, you can see what happened to their teeth. All those white, yellow scars are permanent. So I want you to watch this video on how to properly brush and take better care of your teeth so that we can avoid having teeth that are scarred and discolored and gross looking even though they're straight. Okay, keep up the good work. There's always room for improvement in life. Even our parents, even ourselves, our teachers, everyone needs to improve in different areas of their lives. This video is it's not to make you feel bad. It's really to inspire and motivate you to take care of yourself, because at the end of the day, you are responsible for yourself, and you got to make sure that you keep up with these things for a nice, healthy, happy life. And we're here to help you. We have a lot of experience teaching people how to take better care of their teeth. And we have a lot of experience removing braces and making sure that the smile's nice and healthy and shiny. So if you follow this video, you're not gonna have to worry about all those gross pictures that you just saw.
An angle. When you're brushing, we have what's called the upper shelf and we have under the bed. At home, you store things on shelves and you store things under your bed sometimes. And that's exactly what these braces do. Braces store that food and lots of gunk up on top of the shelf and underneath the bed. When you're brushing the shelf, you're going to angle your toothbrush downward so those bristles get underneath the wire. When you're brushing under the bed, you're going to angle the bristles upward underneath the wire right here, and you're gonna brush all along underneath the wire. Same thing goes for your bottom teeth too. So this is still under the bed and this is still the upper shelf. So you need to make sure to get those bristles up underneath that wire when you're doing under the bed, and you need to push your bristles downward when you're doing the upper shelf for those bottom teeth. Now we're gonna talk about flossing. Flossing with braces will be a little different, so I'll show you how to do that. When flossing, you're going to thread the floss up underneath the wire. It's really important when you're flossing that you get it underneath the wire and get it past that obstacle. If you don't, then you're not going to be able to properly floss. You're going to pull it through, and then you're gonna hug the side of your teeth. We also have a water pick head. Using a water pick or a water flosser will definitely be easier to get all those areas up in your gums and between your teeth. If you don't have a water pick, you can get water picks online on Amazon or Target or even Walmart, and they run about $50. A proper cleaning with braces on should take about 10 minutes. It takes that long because you have to get up underneath the wire like we showed you, and brushing at an angle on the upper shelf and under the bed. If you don't do proper cleaning, then plaque will build up in those places. If plaque does build up, then you'll get what we call scars. Scars will stay on your teeth forever and they're white. So you don't have to worry about the scars if you are keeping up on your brushing and doing that complete cleaning routine.